G'day everyone, my name's Nichols and welcome to the show. When you're discouraged or you're lost or you're in pain or you're in fear, just simply think about what is the next challenge that you need to get to right now and orient yourself towards that. It's that simple, just be that short term about it. That's all you need to do. It may be making a phone call or at least thinking about what you might say in a phone call to someone that you care deeply about. It may be doing some work that you should be doing and you know you should be doing it. And it may be just then sitting down and not procrastinating and sitting in front of the computer to set those conditions where you might do some work. It may be thinking about your dating profile or at least doing those first steps and getting that sorted. It may be just planning how you might do your tax. Whatever it is, the point is look at that next challenge and instead of procrastinating about it, instead of turning away and distracting yourself with videos or movies, simply make sure that you are facing that challenge and taking that first decisive step along the path. That's all you need to do. There's no big grand plan. There's no great meaning of life. It is just that next challenge. That's how the human condition works. You orient towards that next challenge and you face it and you fight it. That challenge transforms you. You become someone else. Then face the next challenge and rinse and repeat. That's all it is. That's all life is. It's no more complicated than that. It's easy to get lost and distracted thinking that when you're upset, angry, feeling bad for some reason or lonely, that somehow there's some grand plan you've got to work out. You don't. Simply face that next challenge. It might certainly have been just cleaning up the kitchen, cooking, having a good drink of water, sitting down, having a few minutes rest, domestic duties, whatever it is. That next thing you need to do, that you sort of feel, okay, this is just a little thing that I need to do to challenge myself. That's it. That's just the path. That is the path. Follow that, and it will bring you along the path to journey's end and will create a meaningful and lasting legacy for your life. That's all you need to do. Nothing too difficult. Thanks for listening, guys. Appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.